In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons and covers to Notion pages. By the end, your pages will be easier to spot at a glance and look more polished without changing how you work. Start by opening the Notion page you want to personalize. Move your mouse up to the page title. When you hover over it, you'll see a small option appear that says Add Icon. Click that. Notion gives you two simple ways to pick an icon. You can choose an emoji or select from the built-in Notion icons. Emojis are quick, colorful, and great for adding personality. The built-in icons are clean and consistent, which can be helpful if you want a more professional, unified look across your workspace. Use the search bar to find something relevant, like a book for notes, a calendar for planning, or a check mark for tasks. A good tip is to keep your choices consistent by category, so related pages share a visual theme. If you ever want to change the icon later, just hover over the title again and make a new selection the same way. Next, let's add a cover. Hover over the page title again and click Add Cover. A banner appears at the top of your page, giving you more visual space to set the mood or convey context. Covers are perfect for distinguishing projects, making dashboards more welcoming, or simply giving your page a bit of personality. Aim for images with clear subjects and colors that don't clash with your text, so your page stays readable. To fine-tune the cover, click Change Cover. You'll see three options. First, the built-in gallery provides a curated set of images that look great right out of the box. It's fast, reliable, and a good fit if you just want something clean and simple. Second, the Unsplash option lets you search a massive library of free, high-quality photos by keyword. Try searching for themes like nature, gradients, productivity, or technology to match your content's tone. Third, you can upload your own image, which is ideal for team branding, screenshots, or custom art. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Choose images with a clear focal point and enough contrast, since the cover crops to a wide banner. That's it. Hover and add an icon to make your page instantly recognizable. Then hover and add a cover to bring it to life. Use Change Cover to explore the gallery, search Unsplash, or upload your own for a personalized finish. With just a few clicks, your Notion pages become clearer to navigate and more enjoyable to use.